Good morning. We are looking out to the west. We've got some quiet weather today and conditions that are going to be quite nice as we continue through our morning hours. That's if you like the summertime heat. It is back for one more day, and we're looking at some nice weather to really greet us as far as summertime heat is concerned. There are places, though, where we're getting some rain and some thunder impacting us in the valley we want to talk about coming up. And, of course, we mentioned how warm it got yesterday. There's at least one spot that hit 90, and that is Gwinner at 90 degrees for your high. It was 87 in Fargo and 88 in Grand Forks. So a very warm day for September, and it's helping to fuel some of those rain and thunderstorms down in the south and east. You can see this cluster in west central Minnesota now. We're going to zoom in more on this area. We're focused in on northern parts of Traverse County, southern Wilkin County for that stronger thunderstorm, bringing some lightning, some heavy rain to that area. Elbow Lake getting a good downpour, but no lightning, at least not in the immediate vicinity. Fergus Falls, you're about to see this move in. This is heading your way. And then over into other parts of eastern Otter Tail County dealing with these heavier showers as well. And this is moving to the northeast, so it's going to hit, the heavier rain will hit Wadena soon, eventually into the Park Rapids area. So this part of our viewing area is the focus for the potential for rain and thunder this morning. Fargo, places north and west from there, it should be quieter for you. So not really seeing anything unless you're looking at some lightning in the distance from that location. So here's a look at our temperatures. We've got the heat helping to fuel thunderstorms in the south, but throughout the valley, we're very, very warm. Some upper 60s to some mid 70s just to start the day. It's 74 degrees in Fargo, 72 in Grand Forks. We're looking at 70s in Lakes Country and out to the west. Strong too. Some places not so strong, but then we've got gusts into the mid-20s in Fargo and Gwinner and Oaks right now. So some strong winds for the morning hours. And visibility generally looking good. If you're under one of those downpours, it's going to be lower. We do have a slight lowering in Park Rapids and then back up into that border area, northern parts of North Dakota. So again, we are dealing with the rain and the thunder in the Lakes Country area. This is 7 o'clock on our hour-by-hour planner. This will eventually move up to the northeast. We start to quiet things down again for the day with the warming happening with some strong winds, gusts into the 30s as we continue into the morning and afternoon, and temperatures by lunchtime, by noon, into the 70s to about 80 degrees. Heading into the late afternoon, early evening, still windy. We're getting more sunshine in the east at that point, and we're seeing those temperatures into the upper 70s to some mid 80s for highs again today. Heading into tonight, we'll see our next round of rain and thunder move through again overnight. It's going to move through pretty quickly here. This is 10 o'clock. As we move through time, you can see those develop and kind of hit some of the same areas that are being impacted right now. Perhaps a little farther north, affecting places like Fargo and more parts of northwest Minnesota. And some of these could end up being strong to severe, something to be aware of as you're making your overnight plans. Make sure you have a way of being alerted for severe weather. Valley News Live Weather app can do that for you. Heading into the day tomorrow, expect some mostly sunny skies to start. Of course, it's not going to be sunny everywhere at all times necessarily, but plenty of sunshine out there and still windy. We're going to see a couple of showers move through for Wednesday afternoon, a couple of spotty ones, but overall a drier afternoon hour and temperatures that aren't as hot. We're into the mid to upper 70s in a lot of spots for the day on Wednesday. Your photo, there's that sunflower shot again. We're looking at this from the Wahpeton area. Thanks, Joan, for sharing your pretty colorful view here. And in your 7-day planner, we've got more sunshine on the way and temperatures that do slide back a little bit for the second half of the week. Thursday looks like a great day, though, some upper 70s. Friday pretty good until the storms move in and we have a chance for severe weather potentially Friday afternoon and evening. That's still several days away. It could change, but something to be aware of heading into the weekend. And the weekend itself looking not too bad. Not that summertime heat, but overall looking at some pretty decent weather. Upper 60s to about 70 degrees Saturday and Sunday.
Okay, yeah, not a bad September forecast.
No, it's looking really good. And, you know, we're transitioning into fall on the 23rd. And I think this is a nice way to ease into it.
Yes, thank you, Lisa. Coming up on the Valley today, what investors are saying about a spike in oil prices and how much more you could be paying at the pump. That's next.